Hello everyone! Pagpatuloy natin ang pag-aaral about exposition of the divine principle. So chapter 1, the principle of creation. So God, the causal reality. So siya ang cause ng katotohanan. Principle. So God is principle, so humanity and universe. So these are the results. So the God is the causal reality and we are the result. Okay? So basahin natin to. Throughout history, people have angst or suffering over the fundamental questions of human life and the universe. This is because no one has understand the root principle by which humanity and the universe were originally created. The fundamental question is that of the causal reality. Problems concerning human life and the universe cannot be solved without first understanding the nature of God. So we have to understand the nature of God. So God, okay. So section 1, the dual characteristics of God and the created universe. Dual, dalawang characteristic ni God. So, number 1, how can we know the divine nature of the invisible God? So, invisible, like an character of an artist, we cannot see the character of an artist. We can see by his work of art, but the works of art, right? So nature of God in Roma 1 verse 20, the nature of God, the nature, just as we can come to know the character of an artist through his work, so we can understand the nature of God by observing the diverse things of creation. So we cannot see God, pero yung ginawa niya nakikita natin. It's like an artist. Hindi na natin nakikita ang character ng artist, pero nakikita natin ang work of art nila. So nature of God, creation. So you understand? So this is all for today for chapter 1, the principle of creation. See you next time. Bye.